Since Pakistan Army's offensive against militant stronghold in South Waziristan in October, Peshawar, capital of Pakistan's northwest frontier province, has been suffering from the terrorist attacks causing fatalities and structural damages. The explosion last week, leaving 4 dead and 14 others wounded, is one of these incidents. Due to the prevailing circumstances of uncertainty in and around the city, there has been an unusual streamline in the security measures taken by the provincial government. In this regard, security forces have established a number of checkpoints throughout the city, and in particular around the government's key installations. At some points on the roads, they have erected barricades and fenced roads with barbed wires, preventing any possible vehicle-borne improvised explosive devices from entering the government or non-government installations.
On the instructions of provincial government, we have taken all these extraordinary security measures to save innocent lives and property of the people. To some extent, we have been successful, though in the process, our own people had to sacrifice many lives.
The entire city seems to have been cordoned off by the administration. Moreover, those entering the city have to be subjected to scrutiny checks. However, citizens here are seen appreciating this act of the government and are not bothered by it.
We don't have any complaints against such security checks because it is all for the safety of our life and property from the bomb attack by the militants.
It's worth mentioning that the security forces, while doing their jobs, have had scores of casualties in order to foil various violent incidents which, if had been materialized, would have caused devastation in the province. One thing is certain: no matter how effectively the safety measures have been taken, but the government needs to provide security forces with modern devices and more surveillance cameras for detection of explosives in order to successfully stop the terrorist attacks in Peshawar. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.